Hello.
Good afternoon po.
po.
Leave Korea.
Hmm?
Di ba marunong ka magbasa? Ay, seryoso?
Ano nakalagay?
안녕하세요.
You can 조금? 조금 할 수? 우와, 한국어를.
It's my first time having a Korean driver.
Oh really? 야, 한국 사람이에요, 한국 사람. 야, 반갑습니다, 반갑습니다.
Oh, well. Is this real?
Hmm? We're going to. Loyola? We're going to your near Loyola, Loyola.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Is it real?
Hmm? What?
Nothing.
야, 학생이에요, 학생이에요?
Yeah.
Oh, really, 학생? Where you study? Where?
Intermodus.
What school? What school?
LPU.
LPU? Hmm? Watching K-drama? You watching K-drama?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Yo.
Is it real? Sorry.
Hmm? Yo.
Sorry.
What real? Hmm?
Nothing. Let me see it.
I have a Philippine name. I have a Korean name. Here in Philippines area.
Okay.
What you study for? What program?
Tourism.
Tourism?
Yeah.
How many years? How many you study?
4.
4 years study. Hmm.
Sorry, I'm puzzled.
Hmm?
Ang haba ng araw natin.
You've been Korea. You've been Korea.
Yeah, last
Oh really?
July, yeah.
Where there? Where?
So,
Seoul?
Gangwon.
Oh, I live in Seoul. Yeah, Seoul. Yeah, you know Seoul, right? Yeah, I live in Seoul. I live in Seoul.
So,
Seoul town Kodora.
yeah.
Yeah, in Mindanao. Before, yeah.
But is it Korean? Are you really Korean?
Hmm?
Are you really Korean?
Yeah, do I look? Yeah, I live here after 3 years to study. Looking for business here. Yeah, I'm looking. I like here. I like to do the business here. A lot of 학생이 많아요. A lot of study here. That's why I want to build a business here. Yeah, I build a business here. Pogo. Hmm?
Nothing.
Yeah, Pogo. I want to build here. Pogo business. Do you know Pogo? Do you know Pogo?
Which one? The food or
Hmm?
something?
Pogo, yeah, you know Pogo?
Oh, naiintindihan mo.
Pogo. Yeah, I Pogo.
Bakit ganito yung name?
Yeah, so, name, what name? I have a Philippine name, I have a Korean name.
Hey.
Yeah, you know what is my Korean name?
What?
Yeah, Mr. Pot. Pot.
What?
Yeah, that's my last name.
Yeah, the first name is.
정수, yeah, 정수. 정수, yeah, 정수. Korean name?
It's okay. It's fun.
Hmm? What fun?
Nothing.
예, 직진했어요. 예. Yeah, good strike, right? Yeah, 지체하세요. Yeah, good strike. Why are you always smiling? Yeah, Filipino are always smiling people. Yeah, I like Filipino culture here.
Can we see
Yeah, I
your
like the
face?
food. Hmm?
Can we see your face?
What? No, the face mask is still here. Avoiding viruses. Yeah. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요? 좋아요. Yeah. Yeah, 이름이요. Your name. Yeah. introduce요. So, what's your name? 이름이요. Hmm?
Lee. My
Hmm?
name is Lee.
Lay?
Yes.
Yeah, how about you?
Me, my name is Alex.
Alex, you?
It's Ali.
Hmm?
Ali.
Ali.
Yeah.
Yeah. 저는 중수예요. 중수입니다. Yeah. 중수. Yeah, put, last name put. I have a karaoke here. You want to try?
No.
No?
sing.
Hmm? Yeah, the songbook is there. Songbook.
Oh.
Yeah. If you want to try, yeah, you can try. Because we love.
Do you speak Tagalog?
kunti lang. Yeah, kunti lang Tagalog. Yeah, you speak Tagalog.
What do you know? What Tagalog words?
Yeah, salamat po. Yeah, 감사합니다, right?
Yeah. You sound better in Tagalog.
Huh? What?
Tagalog sounds better.
Who?
You.
야, 조금만 써요. 야, 조금만 써. 스피커.
150.
예, 감사합니다. 학생이에요. 반갑습니다.
1K to be.
Wait,
예,
eto sa wallet.
반갑습니다.
Seriously, what's this?
응?
Ano po to?
Serious nga siya, B. Huwag ka na magtaka-taka.
ano po? Yeah, ano po to? Ano is what? Ano po to? Yeah, ano po to?
Puto is food.
Yeah, puto. Puto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should try it.
Yeah, 반갑습니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Wait. I just have to tell you.
Huh? Is this a video or something?
No. 반갑습니다. I saw you. You know what is 반갑습니다?
네.
What is
I'm
반갑습니다?
sorry. It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So what's the catch?
What?
Hello?
Oh, yeah.
What's this?
I don't know. Why are
Are you a vlogger or something? Hi!
What's this?
Where's the camera kasi?
What the camera?
Okay na po.
Yeah.
Sorry po. Masaya po pero kailangan natin may appointment.
You need to know about this.
Is this a video?
It's a prank.
Hmm?
It's a prank.
It's a
한국
live.
사람이요. Korean이에요. Korean이에요.
Baka mananalo tayo dito ng trip to Korea.
Okay, you're Korean and then?
And then, yeah, say hi. Hey.
Oh,
Yeah, Korean blogger here. Actually, I'm a Korean blogger.
Really?
Yeah,
No.
Korean blogger. Yeah. Looking.
Okay, let me verify first because the name doesn't speak.
No.
Korean at all.
That's my Philippine name. I have a Philippine name. I have a Korean name.
Sobrang Pilipino naman ang pangalan.
Yeah.
Sorry. Naintindihan mo?
I'm
Torture them, bro.
I'm a Korean blogger actually. Yeah, I'm very sorry about it. This is my camera, and actually I'm looking for singer
I
here.
thought it's like this.
No. This is the camera.
Dito pala.
Yeah, I'm looking for a singer here.
But your
actually.
mic is low, but...
Yeah, that's the problem. But
Yeah.
I'm nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, very cool. Yeah.
Hello po.
Yeah, say hey.
Pwede mo pa bleep yung iba kasi.
What you say? Yeah.
Nakakaya to eh.
What you said?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, I don't.
Where can we find the video?
I
Yeah.
just search it.
Nakakaloka.
Can we take a picture of it?
Yeah, it's okay. No, this is for you. Yeah, this is
Oh.
for you. This is a Tom Bertos TV.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
Tom Bertos TV. Yeah,
Thank you very
yeah.
much.
That's fun. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Tom Bertos TV.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
you search in the Facebook, YouTube. Yeah, YouTuber here. Yeah, YouTuber here.
Well, let everyone know.
Yeah, you don't watch any in TikTok like making video like Yung nagpapanggap na Korean.
Kaya,
Kuya.
sabi mo parang mas maganda pakinggan yung Tagalog.
Yo!
Yung nagpapanggap na Korean, wala pa kayo napanood nun?
Wala pa.
Wala pa? Oh,
That's fun po. Thank
ay,
you so
yay.
much.
Thank you so much.
Seryoso po,
Oo.
ipopost niyo po yan.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang ba? Yun nga ang tanong, okay lang ba isama ko sa content ko?
Okay lang po.
Ayan, panoorin niyo yung vlogs ko, no? Ayun, baka may shoutout pa kayo.
Shoutout po sa family ko dyan. Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Maano ulam.
Di ba? Ano ba ulam niyo? Pero wala kayo napanood na nagkukunwaring Koreano na ganito? Wala kayo napanood
Wala
sa
po.
Facebook, YouTube, TikTok na nagkukunwari Grab driver na nagkunwaring Koreano? Wala kayo napanood?
Wala po. Ngayon pa lang po.
Ngayon pa lang, grabe, no? So ibig sabihin, talagang tutok kayo sa inyong pag-aaral. Tutok ba kayo sa inyong pag-aaral?
Sakto lang.
Pero mahilig naman kayo mag-social media, mahilig kayo.
Apo.
So siguro hindi lang lumabas yung video ko, no?
Yes.
So ngayon lalabas na yan dahil naka-follow na kayo.
Thank you po.
Kamsahamnida. Yan.
Do we need to...
No, it's a free ride! It's a free ride pala, oo. No need to pay.
God.
Oo.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Oh, di ba? Para sa mga estudyante, yan.
Thank you po.
Libre
Ayun,
pamasahe.
that's fun po. Thank you so
Oo,
much.
di ba? Bye-bye.
Pakiabot yung mga.
Okay.
Ingat po.
Thank you
Ingat
po.
kayo, ha?
Ingat po kayo.
Good luck po sa sunod.
Yes. Ay!
The paper space.
Mm-mm. May lubat na. Yan. Yan. Yay! Wala silang idea. So it's a prank talaga. Sobra pa sa prank dahil wala silang idea na isang content creator but naghahanap ng camera. Nasaan yung camera? Kasi nakamay. Naghahanap ng nasaan camera? Ano ba to? Ano pa? No? Pero wala eh. Prank pa rin eh. Convert to Steve, the Korean prankster and the great pretender!
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero, gulat na gulat seryoso. Pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad.